Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Start by opening Google Colab in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Click File, then open Notebook to see tabs for Google Drive, GitHub, and Upload. Choose Upload to load a local. Open File or choose GitHub to open a repository notebook. Use the Drive tab to browse and open files stored in your Google Drive. The Colab interface looks like a Jupyter notebook with a 16:9 editing area and visible run buttons. Begin by centering the vehicle under the trailer tongue using slow, controlled movements. Lower the coupler onto the ball until it fully seats and you hear firm contact. Close and latch the coupler mechanism, then insert a locking pin or cotter pin through the latch hole to prevent accidental opening. Raise the jack slightly so the tongue weight rests on the ball and the jack is off the ground. Cross the safety chains under the coupler and attach them to the hitch mount. Plug in the wiring harness and test lights, and trailer brakes now. Perform a final inspection before driving away to ensure safety and compliance. Check tire pressures, lug nuts, and wheel bearings on both vehicle and trailer to the manufacturer's specifications. Verify proper tongue weight equal to about 10 to 15% of the trailer gross weight for stable towing. Confirm the coupler latch, safety chain attachments, and wiring plug are secure and functional. Drive slowly for the first mile and recheck all fasteners.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.